Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with the new Colourpop collection called Making Mauves, and I'm super excited because I really like how mauves look on my skin tone. Mauves seem to go really well with more yellow undertone. So when I first saw it come out, I was like, I have to pick it up, and it just arrived today, so I'm filming right away to show you guys and to play with it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Ring that notification bell so that you can join our little community here. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I have the collection. I didn't get the entire collection. They've kind of split it up into a more fair skin collection and a more deeper to medium tone collection, which is what I got. And it came with two Super Shock sets. I can never say that. From Colourpop, Super Shock shadows, which I love because they're like metallic shadows. And then the blush, take a little sticker off, and I will be posting all the prices and stuff, the links in the description box below. And it comes with a gloss, and this is called Colourpop Luxe. The color of the gloss is Check-In, and this is what it looks like. And I think that's it. And of course, the palette. And this is what the palette looks like. I like that they did cardboard. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I love it. So we're gonna start with the eyes. All right, so I put on some shadow guards because I've already put on my foundation, so in case there's any fallout. So I'm gonna start off with R&R, which is this lighter one, just to kind of start using that as a transition color. And I like these shadow guards, are really nice if you want to have kind of one of those clean lines when you take them off. You can also use washi tape. I've seen a lot of people use washi tape. I'm going to go into Solitaire, which is kind of a deeper pink, and kind of go a little bit lower. And I will insert swatches as well so you guys can see how each, you know, what they look like on the skin. So I'm gonna go into Big Fig, which is a really deep mauve color. I'm just gonna put that one right here. Now I'm going to use this little small brush from Peaches and Cream. I don't know if there's a number on this one. Oh yeah, PC37, and I'm gonna go into the darkest one called Marquee. And put that right here. Alright, so now that I have all the colors, the mattes applied, now I can take off these. Oh, see how pretty? You get that nice sharp edge. Ooh, these are powdery. There is a kickback though. There is kickback on the palette. So just fair warning, I don't care, but I know there's people that don't like it. So I'm gonna take a la mode. It's kind of the darker. I don't know about these. It's not really coming off on my finger too much, but we'll see. And put that one on the outer part of my lid. Just like so. Okay. Yeah, that looks really pretty. I'm gonna go into Bi-Coastal, which is the lighter shimmer. But I'm using, this time I'm not using my finger. I need to use a brush because I can't get right in there. Alright, and so there it is on both eyes, and then in the middle to kind of join them, I'm going to use Mauve on Tap, which is a medium color. It's kind of like a mauve rose, and I'm putting this right between the darker one and the lighter shimmer. God, that is so gorgeous. So that is both eyes. Now I'm gonna take, I do want to try the the Super Shock shadow, and I'm gonna go into, this one is Day Trippin'. You be day trippin'. And then they have, oh, did I dig my nail into it? A little bit. It's kind of got like a pinky mauve mermaid color. It's really pretty. It's kind of a dual chrome. And then the other one is Bloomer. And this one is a dark purpley one. So I'm just gonna go into Day Tripping. I'll use Bloomer in a different tutorial, but I wanna try this Day Bloomer and go right here. I don't know, we'll see what it does. Okay, so it gave it a little bit more of a metallic sheen to it. Do you guys see that? So moving on, I'm gonna go put on some eyeliner and be right back. So I ended up doing more of a wing liner. I did use the Colourpop. It's perfect. This color is absolutely perfect. The color is Charmer, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline as well. So I'm going to use Marquee again. Dip into Marquee and go down here on the outside. And then for the center part, I'm going to go in with Mauve on top. I'm just going to take that, which is the middle, not the too light, but the middle sparkly one, shimmer. Just like that. There we go. And that is all for the eyes. Perfect. They're just, I love it. Now for my cheeks, I'm going to use their blush, and this one is Coast to Coast. There we go. And there is the blush. It's so pretty. Probably on camera. Probably on camera it washes out a little bit, but it, trust me, in normal light, you know, what I'm seeing here, there's a lot of blush. All right, so for highlight, I'm actually going to take some of the one that was in here. So I'm going to go into, what's this one again? By Coastal. And see how that looks. Ooh, that looks pretty. So a little bit of blush, and then here on the tip of my nose, the bridge. Yeah, that one works perfect. Perfect. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Perfect as a highlighter. I love it. How beautiful is that? Better. I'm going to use Spice from MAC, and I just kind of filled it in a little bit. This Spice from MAC is absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to try out the gloss. And what did I say it was? The gloss called Chicken, and it's part of their Luxe. It's got a little fat doe foot applicator. It is a tinted gloss, so it's good to have. And I like it because it's not sticky. So like if you run out and the wind is terrible and all your hair is just like, I hate that. And you're like trying to peel all your hair off. But no, this one isn't too bad. No, if you guys have like those, I love MAC products, but I do not like their glosses. Oh my God, they're so sticky. So that is the look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Would you buy the collection? Comment down below. Would you like to see me do a halo eye look? Or would you like me to do more than one look when I review palettes? You guys let me know what you want. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps my channel so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. During this time, it's so important to take care of yourself physically and mentally. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.